most awaited days in the year for us, and I think most of people in Dubai were looking forward to today, and that is the opening of Ain Dubai, the biggest observation wheel in the world. Come with us and we'll show you what it's like inside. A special experience, so we booked ourselves spots at the VIP lounge before we head up the observation wheel. Let's see what that is. So this is the VIP lounge, and it's quite a large space which was fully packed given that it's the first day of the opening. It's a nice way to begin your journey to the world's largest observation wheel. We paid 35 dirhams per person on top of the ticket charge to get access to the VIP lounge. They have a big menu selection, and as you can see on the screen, they do have lots of beverages, cocktails, mocktails, champagnes, wines, vodka, gin, lots of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. And in terms of food, they do have lots of things like chicken wings, samosas, sandwiches, and these are our drinks that we chose for ourselves. Enjoying a nice drink to put us in the mood for the celebration. I'm so excited to see the views of Dubai from the observation wheel. Stay tuned, we'll show you. Since we had the access to the VIP lounge, we can actually board the cabins from right here. No need to go back to the entrance. I think that's that way where people are heading. Amazing was that view. We thoroughly enjoyed the entire ride, and we enjoyed both the day and the night view. We hope you liked this video too. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such fun content about Dubai, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!